She has reacted on Mamata Banerjee attending the meeting, saying that the case of West Bengal was different because there's a huge amount that is pending which West Bengal had not received, and Chief Minister will be speaking regarding the issue in the meeting.
Perhaps the case of Bengal is different from other states because Bengal is supposed to get more than 1,50,000 crore rupees. They are supposed to get from central government, which they have stopped during last 3-4 years. So Bengal case is different. We have to fight it out because they have stopped our legitimate claims and payments. So it's a different case than the other states.
We have Sabyasachi joining us live right now. Sabyasachi, good morning. As far as the upcoming Niti Aayog meeting is concerned, with several opposition state chief ministers deciding to boycott, why does Mamata Banerjee in this case stands out?
Well, see, Mamata Banerjee from the very beginning has been maintaining that she would be attending the Niti Aayog meeting that is going to be chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Now, as far as the TMC is concerned, TMC has been saying that around over 1 lakh crore of the funds have been not given to the state of West Bengal from the centre, and to voice that in front of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Mamata Banerjee is coming to the national capital. In fact, the TMC feels that Mamata Banerjee would be using the platform to voice strong reaction against the central government, as well as to hold the central government responsible for ignoring the state of West Bengal, be it in the budget or as well as when it comes to releasing of the centre funds. Meanwhile, see, the TMC also responded that at this particular point, when at the national level the India Alliance parties are together, every party does not have to be a photocopy of the other party. Bengal has some need for the state, and that is the reason why Mamata Banerjee would be attending the meeting. And in fact, from the TMC sources, we got to know that Mamata Banerjee in fact would be seeking a one-on-one meeting with Prime Minister Narendra Modi in her 3-day visit as well. See, time and again when the meeting was chaired at Mallikarjun Kharge's residence, where first it was Tamil Nadu Chief Minister who said that he would be boycotting the Niti Aayog meeting. After that, 4 other Chief Ministers. In fact, it is unlikely that Kerala Chief Minister and other Chief Minister also would be attending the meeting. At that particular point, the TMC said that the Bengal needs are separate and it does not have to photocopy the other opposition party, whereas from the Congress, in fact, Jairam Ramesh was of the view that when the opposition parties are taking a united stand, then all the opposition ruled states should boycott the Niti Aayog meeting, as the budget which was announced by the central government is completely discriminatory and it goes against the against fairnessness, and that is the reason why every single ruled opposition state should boycott the Niti Aayog meeting. But Mamata Banerjee would be reaching to the national capital today at around 4 p.m. and tomorrow she would be attending, she would be holding a meeting with all the Trinamool Congress MPs, and on 27 she would be going for the Niti Aayog meeting, which will be chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
Okay, all right. Sabyasachi, thank you.